Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to do the last topic of your HTML. This one chapter, that is chapter number 4, I guess, in your book. So, class, in this we have done forms, and after the form there is another method by which we can add audios also. Till now, you have not done this thing like that in junior classes also. So, class, let's start with that. If I want to add audio, for that audio is my tag, and the source is the another sub tag that we have to use, and src and the type is the attributes of this source. So you can see the simple example: html head, then title, head, body. We all know about it. Now this is just a message that they have given that will get displayed at the top. Now talking about the audio controls. Now class, you have to write audio controls, and you have to close here audio controls. Here you have to give source tag and src. Under the src, that is, you will give which type of file you are having in your computer. We have to give audio .mp3. Suppose I am having a song, then I have to see the location. Under the location you will see this file also and this file also. So nothing you have to do, you just have to write audio.mp3. audio is your file name. Suppose a song you are having, song.mp3, then audio1.ogg and audio2.wave. All these three type of audio files we can add. Now after that, you see the output. This type of output will come. Whatever the audio you are having, it will get come in this. This is the heading 2. This is nothing you have done previously also. This is the thing, that is your song or your voice or any audio that is in your computer. It will get added to your web page. Now next is your video, embedded video. In this, video is the tag, and some controls. These are the attribute of video tag. Now you see, again there is a source, and in source type and autoplay is the option, as we generally have in our mobile also, in computer also it get autoplay. So class, again three type of file we need. This is one file that is in your computer. This is another file that should be there in your audio list, video list, and this. So these type of three files you need to download from net. This file you will never have in your computer. These three files you have to download, and these two files, basically this one and this one. This is you are having any video, anything that is present in your computer, but you are not having this video1.ogg and video2.wave. So class, same process. Height and width you can give, till means how much video extension you want in your computer, in your web page, that is. Source is the same thing as it was in audio also. src is the attribute, type is the attribute. So all these things you have to give, then only your file will run, and it will come like this. This is just a heading. This is the area where video is getting display, and this is the controls. So class, I have finished with my topic.